Well, hello my friends, and thanks for joining me today. We need to look at how to change a wire wheel when it gets really far down. All right, so we're changing this wire wheel on this bench grinder. So what we have is we have this jet 8-inch bench grinder. One side has a wire wheel, the other side has a grinding disc. So we need to change it. So the first thing we need to do is we have 5 screws that we have to take out here. I use a screwdriver. We're going to take these out and then get at our spindle. Whoops-a-days. Okay, so I already took the rest of them out so you guys wouldn't have to watch. And now we have our spindle. Make sure you set your screws in a safe spot so they don't get ruined, lost. Now you have your spindle. Now what I have to do on this grinder is I have to take a crescent wrench on this side on the grinding wheel in order to loosen this one too. I've already broken this free or loosened it essentially so you wouldn't have to watch me struggle with that. Then you take off the washer, the nut, place them somewhere where they're not gonna get lost. Then we have our wire wheel, and these things are really sharp. So be careful when you take this off. Those little wires right there, man, they'll poke right into your skin and they will not feel pleasant. So that's why I like a screwdriver on hand, because sometimes they get on there real tight and you have to kind of pry them off just a little bit. Look at that puppy. She's down to nothing. So we got a nice new one here. We have to remove this. Okay, so we have a nice new one. Go on here. Gonna go all the way to the back to the other washer. Put your front washer on. Then you have your nut. Tighten it up. Then I'm gonna take my crescent wrench. I'm gonna take one on this side. And then one here. And get it tight. And now it's on. So now, I'm going to take my cover, put it back on. And once all my screws are in here, we are done. All right, all the screws are tightened up. Now I always like to take my wheel and spin it. Make sure everything looks good. Make sure it's not wobbly to where I didn't get it on there tight. Looks good. We'll plug it back in because you should always unplug it when you change anything. We'll plug it back in and then we'll try it. Looks good. We're solid. All right, friends, so make sure you're really careful. Make sure you wear eye protection. Watch your hands. Those little wires on that wire wheel are super sharp. Well, not super sharp, but they're just real small and they poke into your skin real easy. So be careful while you're doing this, and that's about it, folks. Make sure to work hard because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.